The LG dryer air code D95 indicates a blockage in the ductwork, which can be caused by buildup in the ventilation or a clogged lint screen. To fix this issue, it's essential to address these common causes. The first solution is to clean the ventilation ducts by following a specific procedure. Locate the dryer vent, disconnect the dryer from the power supply, and then disconnect it from the vent. Next, use a vacuum to clean the dryer vent, and utilize a vent brush with extensions to scrub the inside of the vent. Remove any exterior debris, brush the exterior dryer vents, and sweep away any resulting debris before reconnecting the vent to the dryer. Finally, switch the dryer on to test it. Another solution is to clean the lint screen by locating it on the dryer, gently removing it by the handle, and removing any lint with your hands or a vacuum. The lint screen can also be soaked in a solution of warm water and mild detergent, scrubbed with a soft brush, and then rinsed with cold running water. Ensure the lint screen is dry before reinstalling it, and the issue should be resolved.